Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something really fun. We have got bamboo cutting board from Dollar Tree and we are going to turn them into amazing things you will love to use them every day. We are all about making cool stuff in simple way. And we are turning this simple board into useful and pretty items for our home. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. For the first project, as you see, we have this wood bamboo cutting board that we got from Dollar Tree, and I have also salvaged the handle from an old broken cabinet, proving that beauty can be found in the most inexpensive places. Our mission is to craft a chic and functional holder, whether it's for our book or for our indispensable phone or go to tablet or iPad. This project promises to blend beauty with utility, making everyday attire more organized and stylish. So first, we align the drill bit with the marks that we made for two screw holes. Hold the drill carefully to the wood and drill pilot holes to the depth of our screw length. So insert the screws through the handle holes into the pilot holes. Tighten until the handle is securely attached, but without over tightening because can strip the wood. So we do this with the two holes, and voila, we have this handle into our cutting board. Now we have these transfers that we got from Dollar Tree. We're gonna choose some pictures. After choosing our favorite designs from these transfers, we cut out some beautiful pictures to decorate our cutting board. I have picked one for the top and two elegant borders for the sides to give an extra charm. Voila, voila, voila. Now with my scrubber in hand, it's time for the magic part. I rub the transfers onto the cutting board, making sure every detail sticks perfectly. It's all about patience here. Rub, rub, rub until the pictures are fully transferred. Beautiful pictures on top and beautiful borders. Rub, rub, rub until we make sure that the pictures sticks perfectly there. To protect these transverse pictures and the wood, I am using Beverly Wax. This clear wax will seal everything in, making our new holder not just beautiful, but durable too. Voila, voila. Just like that, we have created something truly special, whether it's holding our iPad, phone, or book. The chic piece adds a touch of farmhouse decor to our daily routine. I love reading your thoughts, so let me know in your comment below what you think about this project. And let's jump to the second DIY. Let's talk about today's collaboration. I'm thrilled to share that this video is part of an exciting collaboration called What Would You Make? This collaboration is hosted by two incredibly talented crafters. We have Connie from Connie's Woodworking and DIYs, and we have Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY. This month, we are also joined by guest host, the amazing Corie from Crafted by Corie. I highly encourage you all to explore their channels and discover the incredible work they do. You'll find their channels linked in my comment below. There is also a playlist full of creative minds using wood to bring their vision to life. Don't forget to check out all these crafted channels listed below this video to get inspired with beautiful ideas. And now, let's continue our project and dive into the second one. It's time for project number 2, and today we are turning another bamboo cutting board into a cute everyday tray. So first we carefully marked where the handles should go, and then with the spot marker, the drilling time, we drill carefully holes for the handles. Attach the first one, then the second, securing them firmly, and our tray is ready now. Our tray now got handles, but I'm not stopping there. It's beauty time. For my collection of transfer from Dollar Tree, I have chosen some lovely leaves and a phrase that resonate with me. Everyday miracles. It's all about finding joy in the little things, right? I placed the stain right in the center for that daily inspiration, with the leaves spreading out to the sides, creating a natural look. With everything positioned right there, I grabbed my scraper and got to work, rub, 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 making sure every details of those transfers makes its way onto our tray. Last touch is giving a coat of clear wax. This not only seals and protects the wood and our beautiful transfers, but also gives the tray a finished look. Now, whether it's holding your morning coffee or keeping your essentials in one place, this tray is ready to add a touch of beauty to your daily routine. What do you think, guys? Let me know in your comment below what do you think about this one. And let's jump to the third project. For our final project, we are transforming a simple wood cutting board into a stunning piece of wall decor. I took a knob from an old dresser or my cabinet, the same one, and I marked the perfect spot on the cutting board for it. Then, with precision, I drilled a hole and secured the knob in place. It's amazing how a single knob can start to transfer a plain board into something more. Then I decided to add some texture with um, this mold, silicone mold, using air dry clay. This mold perfect for creating elegant borders. I press the clay into the mold, carefully remove the excess, and then eased out my clay shapes. Voila. Press, press, and then remove my clay from the silicone. After letting the clay shapes dry, I painted them with the brown Beverly Wax to give them a rich, deep color. But why stop there? I added some metallic paint highlights to bring a bit of sparkle and charm to this piece. Voila. Gluing the clay borders to the top of the cutting board with mud podge. Whether you are looking to display a beautiful frame, hand keys, or simple add a touch of elegance to your wall, this decor piece is ready to shine. To hang it, I attached a piece of jute twine to the back of the board using 2D rings, making it easy to hang. And what do you think, guys? Let me know in your comment below. I hope this video inspires you to look at the everyday object with a new perspective, finding beauty and making something new, and be creative. I hope you enjoy it, and let me know in the comment below which one is your favorite. And see you soon. A bientôt. Bye.